Welcome to the 7th tutorial on theme A. We will be looking at what respect is, why it's important to respect other people, and how organizations can make respect work. Discrimination is treating somebody less favorably because of their color, ethnic origins, age, gender or disability. Harassment is repeatedly threatening, humiliating and pestering somebody. Respect is showing consideration for someone's feelings, wishes or rights. The United Nations is an international organization that tries to encourage peace, cooperation and friendship between countries. Victimization is discriminating against someone unfairly. Respect can be defined in lots of different ways. It could be treating people as you want to be treated, accepting people as they are, valuing each other's point of view, or actions that show you value another person. If there is not respect in a community, there will be problems. Whether it's a school, place of work or club, a lack of respect will cause friction and may result in the law being broken. The UN wrote the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948 to set out the basic rights for all individuals. All the expectations of respect are included in the declaration. It sets out expectations for how an individual should be treated by other people, the government and all other organizations. We will now look at the case study of the University of Essex. It is a diverse community where everyone is expected to treat others with dignity and respect. They have set rules that all members of the university have to live by. In the exam you might be asked to explain why respect is important or what problems occur when people do not respect others.
We go together like Rama Rama Rama, ding 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 dong. Remember forever as you walk